Sherman, set the Wayback Machine. That is, Mr. Peabody. Oh, no!
Strain my ears too much. Ratchet, Northern Cal, Forrest Gump, we getting down. Hey, Bob Flap, can I go around a potato patch? Try to roll this beam down that way. Sounds like y'all getting all kinds of conditions already. South Central Tennessee, go ahead. Another one of the tadpoles up and muddy up the fishbowl, that's all I am. Hey, lad. Trying to get it. Truck said it. And I'm stepping. It was Pinky keying up. Hey, Bullet, jackhammer. Hey, Bullet, jackhammer. That way, Forrest Gump. Fort Payne, Alabama, we pulling back. I just want to know if this thing is all right. Just letting you know out there, Channel 28. Jim Fuller, yeah. All right, Ford, good to hear you, man, from one ground plane to another. Spike that mic before Gump come in there and that big old hammer on me. Sounding real good. Hey, Ratchet, you sounding real good. You're doing a real good job in them key downs. Truck said it and waving.